magical world of farms, where animals talk in their special way. Are you ready to learn about the cool sounds they make? Let's dive in and have some farmyard fun! Meet the gentle giants of the farm cows, who love to munch on grass all day and say moo in their own musical way. Fluffy sheep are like walking clouds, and their sweet bleats create a peaceful melody as they graze in the meadow. Honk, honk! Geese are the confident guardians of the farm, announcing their presence with strong honks and patrolling the surroundings. Neigh! Majestic horses are the farm's noble companions, galloping freely through fields and captivating us with their graceful presence. Cluck, cluck! Chickens are the farm's feathered alarm clocks, waking everyone up with their cheerful morning calls while laying eggs that are like hidden treasures. Ma, ma! Mischievous goats are the acrobats of the farm, climbing everything in sight and serenading us with their delightful bleats. Oink, oink! These snorting little piggies are expert mud bath enthusiasts, and their playful squeals make the farm a joyous place. Donkeys are the wise and friendly members of the farm, with their distinctive brays echoing across the fields as they bring a touch of charm to the countryside. Hop, hop! Cute and fluffy, rabbits are the speedy hoppers of the farm, always ready for a game of tag in their cozy burrows. Quack, quack! Waddle along with ducks, the cheerful water lovers who bring laughter to the pond with their charming quacks.